Hi everyone, welcome to my high ticket Hotshot product review video. This is Khadi from Khadi's Digital Marketing. Today we're reviewing an interesting product that is created by a good friend of mine, Daman Parhar, and her partner Dawud Islam. We all know that Dawud is one of the super affiliates out there, so this will be an interesting product. So they basically talks about the 4 high ticket offers that you can go for, especially as a newbie. When you start, you don't even know which high ticket offer you want to promote. So they basically take you through the product, the offers, and you can select from the list as to which one you want to promote. So if you feel like this is something that you want and you are interested in, currently you are stuck, you don't even know which high ticket offer you want to go with, I suggest that you stay with me throughout my entire review so I can just take you through the interesting customer bonus that I have, and also we'll talk about what high ticket Hotshot is all about. So we're now in the members area. I just want to go through the members area. So this is where David talks about the product as to what is it all about, and he welcomes you as the buyer. And there's also a section here where Daman also talks about the product, and you can also join a Facebook group so you can just get more value. And there's the overview section where David introduces the high ticket Hotshot product and talks about it, gives a high level overview, what is it all about. And in the main training section, this is where they talk about the 4 high ticket offers, right? So you can choose either of these offers, or you can just go for all of them because they are available. And they also show how you can promote these offers. They give you hacks and tricks on how you can promote them, because with the high ticket offers you cannot use the same method as you were promoting a low ticket offer. So basically they talk about you need a squeeze page, an opt-in page where your potential customers will enter their details. And once they've entered their details, you should be able to get the information. But you need to bear in mind that normally customers won't just be interested just like that in the product at once. So you need to send follow-up emails. So David goes through the process as to how to go about that. And there's also email swaps that they have available in the training that you can use. And another interesting one is they have the free squeeze page, the opt-in page template that you can use, so you don't have to come up with your own. And there's also interesting bonuses here. But before I go to the vendors bonus, I just want to talk about my bonus that I have for you, the high ticket bonuses. So the first one is the high ticket Hotshot bonus, which is, so you can just go through the review and the demo that as to what is it all about. So the first one is the 7-figure super affiliate training, where they go about how you go about making the 7-figure. The second bonus is the exclusive Facebook group. You join the Facebook group, and that's where you're going to get value. And the next bonus is the massive product bundle. So this talks about the product itself, and there's interesting bundles that are available there. And the next one is 20 resellers rights, so that you can sell the high ticket product as your own, and so that you can gain more commission. And there's also a dedicated customer support. So if you have any issues, 24 hours they are available to help you with the issues that you might have. Just have to mention that these bonuses expires after the period of the launch. If it hits 00, so they won't be available anymore. And if you're interested in the product, just click in my description link, and also in the comment section you'll be able to take up the product. product. So basically, once you click in my description link, so it will take you to this page. This is the sales page. This is the page where they talk about the high ticket hotshot and what is it all about. So here they say, are you fed up with making tiny commissions? Become a high ticket hotshot today. So basically, you know that the high ticket offers, with them you normally get high commission. So even if you can sell 2 or 3 high ticket offers in a month, that should be enough. So hence they are promoting this product. These are the benefits. You say goodbye to 3, $5 and $10 sales, so you will earn high commission. So $300, that's the minimum, and can get up to 1,000 commissions, which is true, because I know with Minutes of Freedom you can get 1,000 plus commission. And you do the same work for 100 times the rewards. You don't need to have any technical skills. This is even a newbie can do it. There's a full training available. So if you are interested, you will click on my description link. Then it will take you to the sales page, and you can select this yellow button here that's to take up action, and there is no risk. So you get your money, 30-day money back guarantee. If you're not happy, you can just return the product and they will give you back your money. So they also have proof testimonials of people who've used the product. So one of the this is David's testimonial. So he was able to make this money, $28,000. So yes, you can just go through the sales page if we have available. So this is what I was looking for. These are the bonuses. We spoke about the bonuses that are coming from the vendor. These are the interesting bonuses, and you can just take them up if you are interested. And this product, I just want to see how much will this product cost. It's only $12.95, guys. So this is not bad, right, in terms of the price that they're giving and the information that is available. And they also show you how you will be able to promote this product. So you can just take it up and go through the members area, guys. So this is my high ticket hotshot product review video. And if you feel like this is something that interests you, you can just take up the product by selecting my description link. And also I will be coming up with more reviews. But for now, thank you guys for watching my video. Until we meet again, cheers for now. Bye.